The Three Little Pigs. A long time ago, there were three little pigs. Their names are Cree, Chang Chicken, and Pin Chicken. One day, they decided to take a look at the outside world.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell.
Goodbye, sons. Be careful. Goodbye, Mom. I want to go in that direction. I want to go that way. I have decided to go there.
The three little pigs went in different directions. Cree met a goat selling thatch.
I want to build a thatched house.
So he bought some thatch and built his house.
Oh, what a cozy home.
Carrie is resting in his new home, but there's a question. Boom, boom, oh, is anyone there?
Yes.
Who is it? Your friend, Old Willie, let me in. Mummy Pig taught her sons never to open the door to a stranger, especially a stranger with sharp teeth.
No, I won't show you even a single piece of wind.
Let me in or I'll blow your house down.
No, you can't come in, you big bad guy.
I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow your house down. It's not that difficult to blow down a thatched house. Now, little pig, I'm going to eat you.
Help, little pig, I want it now.
Eat you, help.
At the same time, Changji met a sea plow selling wood.
I want to build a wooden house.
So he bought some wood and built his house.
Okay, what a beautiful home.
The long chicken looks proudly at its new home, but there's a problem.
Long chicken save life.
Ah, it's a wolf. Run inside and lock the door.
Dong Dong, let me in.
No, I won't even open a crack for you.
Let me in or I'll blow your house down.
I won't let you in.
I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow your house down. It's not that difficult to blow down a wooden house. Now I'm going to eat you.
Help.
At the same time, Pinji met a horse selling bricks.
I want to build a brick house.
So he bought some bricks and started building a house.
My home is very strong.
Pinji slowly built the brick house.
Hey, my house is about to be built. I want to put an extra brick on the chimney.
But there is a problem.
Flat chicken, help.
A wolf is chasing us. Come in quickly and lock the door.
Okay, look who's there now. A little pig is stuck on the roof. Well, he can't escape. Hello, little pig.
It's that big bad guy, that wolf. I know what I should do.
Pin Chicken climbed into the chimney and slipped down. Cree and Chang Chicken were both very scared.
The wolf is chasing us.
It wants to eat us. I have an idea. Fill the pot with water.
Pingy Chicken lit a fire, and then the three little pigs put the pot on the fire. Wait, let me in. No.
I won't even open a crack for you.
I blew down the thatched hut and also blew down the wooden house. Now I want to blow and blow and blow down your house, too.
Then you try it.
I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow your house down.
I'm waiting.
I said I'm going to blow down the bricks on your house. It's not easy. It doesn't matter. I'm as smart as a little pig.
He is running to the roof.
He wants to climb up to the roof, and we wait to see how hot the water is.
I will slide down like a little pig. Willie will lick my lips and slide down the chimney. But there is a problem. As soon as Willie falls down and eats the chicken, he will close the lid of the pot. Let me out.
If you promise not to harass us again, I will let you come out and put the lid on the pot as soon as Pingy is down. If you promise not to harass us again, let me out.
Whaley left the village and never came back.
We will never see him again.
We should build another house. Let's get started.
Pingy helped her brother. When Mummy Pig came, they all had a strong family with a strong heart.
The house is so beautiful. Sons, I am very happy that you built your own house with bricks. You never know what will happen.
Three little pigs ended with a smile.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell.